Discover Flamenco, a reading and listening worksheet on Spain's iconic music, CFR B1. To do this activity, please visit the website concordhomework.co.uk and download the worksheet with the answer key for free.
The evolution of flamenco. Flamenco is one of Spain's most iconic and passionate art forms, combining music, dance, and raw emotion. Originating in the Andalusian region of southern Spain, flamenco has deep roots in the cultural fusion of Gypsy, Moorish, and Spanish traditions. As the legendary flamenco artist Paco de Lucia once said, "Flamenco is not just music, it's a way of life, a cry from the soul." This powerful statement captures the essence of flamenco, which has become a symbol of Spanish identity and a global cultural treasure. The origins of flamenco. Flamenco began to take shape in the 18th century, particularly among the Gypsy, Roma communities in Andalusia. However, its origins can be traced back even further, to the cultural exchanges between the Moors, Jews, and Christians who lived in Spain during the Middle Ages. The Moors, who ruled parts of Spain for nearly 800 years, brought with them intricate musical scales and rhythms that would later influence flamenco. Similarly, the Jewish and Gypsy communities contributed their own musical traditions, creating a unique blend of sounds and styles. By the 19th century, flamenco had evolved into a distinct art form with three main elements: cante, singing, toque, guitar playing, and baile, dance. Each element plays a crucial role in expressing the emotions and stories that are central to flamenco. The lyrics, often sung in a raw and haunting style, explore themes of love, loss, resilience, and social injustice. The guitar, with its intricate rhythms and melodies, provides the foundation for the music, while the dance adds a visual and physical dimension, with its precise footwork, graceful arm movements, and dramatic expressions. The styles of flamenco. Flamenco is not a single style, but a diverse collection of palos, styles, each with its own rhythm, mood, and history. One of the most famous styles is solea, which is known for its emotional depth and slow tempo. The solea is often considered the heart of flamenco, as it captures the art form's essence of sorrow and longing. Another popular style is alegría, which is more upbeat and celebratory, often performed during festivals and joyful occasions. Other notable styles include bulería, a fast and energetic style that is often used to showcase the dancer's skill and improvisation. Seguiría, a deeply emotional style that reflects themes of tragedy and despair. And fandango, a lively and rhythmic style that originated in the coastal regions of Andalusia. Each style has its own unique characteristics, but they all share a common thread: the ability to convey powerful emotions and tell compelling stories. Flamenco festivals and global appeal. Flamenco has become a global phenomenon, attracting fans and artists from all over the world. One of the most famous flamenco festivals is the Bienal de Flamenco, held every 2 years in Seville. This festival brings together some of the best flamenco artists, including singers, guitarists, and dancers, to perform in front of thousands of spectators. The Bienal de Flamenco is not just a celebration of the art form, but also a platform for innovation, as artists experiment with new styles and techniques. Another important event is the Festival de Jerez, held in the city of Jerez de la Frontera, which is considered one of the birthplaces of flamenco. This festival focuses on both traditional and contemporary flamenco, offering workshops, performances, and competitions. These festivals, along with many others held throughout Spain and the world, have helped to spread the popularity of flamenco and ensure its continued evolution. Flamenco as a cultural heritage. In 2010, UNESCO recognized flamenco as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity, a designation that highlights its cultural significance and the need to preserve it for future generations. This recognition was a milestone for flamenco, as it brought international attention to the art form and its role in Spanish culture. Flamenco is more than just music and dance. It is a way of life for many people in Spain. It is deeply rooted in the history and traditions of Andalusia, but it also reflects the struggles and triumphs of the Gypsy community, who have played a central role in its development. Today, flamenco continues to evolve, as new generations of artists bring their own interpretations and innovations to the art form. The future of flamenco. As flamenco enters the 21st century, it faces both challenges and opportunities. On one hand, the globalization of culture has led to a greater appreciation and understanding of flamenco around the world. On the other hand, there is a risk of losing the authenticity and depth that make flamenco unique. To address these challenges, many flamenco artists and organizations are working to preserve the traditional aspects of the art form while also embracing new influences and technologies. For example, some artists are incorporating elements of jazz, rock, and electronic music into their flamenco performances, creating a fusion of styles that appeals to younger audiences. Others are using social media and digital platforms to share their work and connect with fans around the world. Despite these changes, the essence of flamenco remains the same, a powerful expression of emotion, culture, and identity. Whether performed in a small tablao, flamenco venue in Seville, or on a grand stage in New York, flamenco continues to captivate audiences with its passion, intensity, and beauty.
Looking to improve your English skills with engaging, high-quality worksheets? Visit Concord Homework Co. UK to download this worksheet and explore a wide range of top-notch English resources designed to help you learn effectively. Don't stop there. Follow me on TikTok, X, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram for more free resources, tips, and fun ways to boost your English skills. Let's make learning English exciting and enjoyable together. Click, download, follow, and share.